Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history.
What is that?
For the jack?
Oh. Ahí está.
Yo pensaba que eso era como para cantar.
Look, there's Ramon. The little jacket.
Oh, that's freaking cool.
Oh, let me show them the front of the car.
No. No.
Why not? Huh?
Nah.
¿Por qué no?
No.
So we can just show them what happened. We're not gonna tell them what happened. We're just gonna show them. Let's see if they even know. You can even notice the difference.
You can.
We'll have to turn on my flashlight. There's no light over there.
Can I drill holes in this one?
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do to mine. Getting up.
So this is what happened to the WRX. I don't know if you're all gonna notice it. Yeah, I see two different colors bumper. No grill. Two different colors. The bumper and the car. The tow hook is broken, like in half. It broke in half. There's just half a piece in there. And then the fog light's all messed up. So yeah, he crashed the WRX. That's all we're saying. This is what we're doing today. What are we doing? Dang. That looks nice. Dang. So
Hey,
you
yo,
got
wait. Put it
you
on
got
me.
this.
Just to see how it looks. Come on,
Just put it.
Try it.
Hey, so this is Ramon's old car,
AKA Billy.
Billy. It's what year is it?
2004 Toyota Corolla S.
Yeah. You can't forget the S. Bring that light.
Don't forget the ass.
Hey, it looks good with it. It does. I'm not even playing with it.
Yeah.
Right, it does.
Yeah.
Look, bring it, Ramon. You're gonna like it. You're gonna wish you put one of yours in your car.
Hey, we should try a new car.
Oh yeah, let's see how it looks.
Bro.
Let me see. Pon la luz así de para arriba.
Dude.
Dang, so look. If you want a wing on your Corolla, you know which one to get now.
Damn.
Oh,
Perfect.
look from this side.
It's big.
It's not that big, but yeah, it looks nice.
Carmen is shit.
Yeah, that was his first car.
Before
I had
that,
my first car was a 2001 Honda Accord. Hey, what'd you have?
Saturn.
A Saturn?
Yeah.
What year? What year?
Kill yourself?
It was 01.
01? Wait, what were the rim size?
They were like 20s. Yeah.
No, like honestly, before I got my Camry, I was legit thinking of buying one of those Aztecs. Those
Oh boy.
I said, fuck that, man. I was like, yo, that's what I'm talking about, those things that they look like
I don't know what they were thinking.
like, I'm trying to figure out how General Motors looked at that car and said, this shit's gonna go viral. Like,
This is a good looking car.
like how? It's like, no. So how many bolts are you putting over there? 3? Shit.
And when you bought it, did it say what color this was?
No.
No.
Oh, it just says.
Damn.
Because this matches the car.
Yeah. Boy, like we put it in there, we couldn't even tell it was there. It was fucking camouflage.
Yeah, we couldn't see it.
Bitching us out. And we actually have the GoPro charged this time. Ruben.
Yeah, it's never charged.
Fucking
But yeah, we need a new camera
yeah.
for sure.
Just so we can give you guys some better quality videos. You know. Couple times. You can do it.
Did you get it?
Let's get it.
Oh wow, it's a washer.
It's a washer. Para lavar ropa. Damn.
We're not gonna know. We're talking in Spanish.
Oh, well, you never know. Some people know Spanish. So that's Zubru. Already fucking finished one semester.
Oh, until like January the 17th.
January 17th? That's nothing.
That's still, yeah, that is.
You hit the window, man. This is the car scratcher right here. Just go sit down over there inside with my mom. Cause we have no lever, guys. Put the lever somewhere.
What lever?
Like something. I don't know. It's dangerous.
Hey, hold it. Don't drop it.
Dude, your car's so slittery.
Slittery? What is that?
That's a new word right there. Absence of slide. You hear what I said? Absence of slide.
Yeah, what the fuck is he like?
Why are you running? Like one of those movies. Hey, yo.
So, oh damn, you can see Edgar now.
Oh, damn, what the hell? Bro,
La luz, you know.
you blend with the wall.
Hey, why are you wearing that Make America Great Again hat on? Hey, did you hear what I said? I said, why are you wearing that Make America Great Again hat on?
So, what you looking at my house, man?
Need a pen.
So look at your buy me, bitch ass.
Yeah, that one.
Oh. No, you're falling.
Oh.
And these scissors.
Get this
Scissors
unstable
or...
Get this unstable knife.
Oh, yeah.
Can move.
Got it. It's frictionless, that's why.
Es que es de México, mira.
Do you need a pencil? Oh, he's doing.
Are you recording?
Yeah, boy. What the fuck is like? Oh, you're gonna cut yourself. Do you need a pencil?
A pen?
A pen or pencil.
How's this paper gonna measure like the actual? Oh,
You'll see.
oh shit! You're gonna write on it.
You don't know the...
God damn! So
Drawing the other one.
we got the tape
Wait,
going on.
which one? This one?
There you go. You ready?
Dude, I can't even move my hand right.
Come on, man. Function properly.
Yeah, man.
Come on, we're gonna mark him. There we go. For a second, it looked like you were drawing and looking at the camera at the same time. I thought it was so weird. Put that line.
The hell's in there?
The hell is that?
Put this shit right. There we go. Like a fucking boss, man. This guy's over here putting no more tape.
It didn't even work.
Huh?
It didn't even work.
And boy, this knife dangerous. Was it sharp?
No. Look, it's not that sharp yet.
Hey, wait, oh shit. Oh, nigga trying to stab me. Bro, wait. Niggas trying to stab me, wait. You know, I don't fucking play with knives, man. I don't fucking play with knives, man.
Yeah.
God damn. Malcriado.
See that again?
Oh, yeah. Damn, looks clean. Oh yeah, Ubers, but like you don't know an Uber.
With this car?
Yeah, hell yeah. I'll get there in 5 minutes.
That is motto.
Hold on tight.
That's a slogan. I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Oh yeah.
Damn. I'll be there in 5 minutes. There we go. So we can.
Yeah. Be like, I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Come me like I crossed out. Like I'll be there in 5 minutes. That's how we gotta do it.
Nah,
How much
pero
is it?
Nah, it's gonna be complicated if we do that.
No mames, way. And that is how you do math, kids.
Look, hey, this is how he's planning to do it. This is impossible.
How is this impossible?
He's trying to measure where the bolt is.
Hey, wait, boy, what you cutting my pen for?
What is
um,
well,
Hey, are
that's
y'all
the same.
videotaping all this shit?
Yeah, bro. What the fuck is this? What the fuck
you're in it right now.
Ain't nobody jelly time.
Damn.
That one.
Yeah, well, that girl was totally hitting on me, too.
Boy.
Cheap as fuck,
So right now we have hole number 1. Well, you can ignore that one. It's actually
What is this?
that one. That's the hole we're actually gonna look. I don't know. Oh,
I'm like, what are you talking
I thought it was a hole, but it's not. And then this one, and we're gonna drill through that,
I
and
can't feel my finger going now. So cool.
here, you see. Dale la mano a tu hermana, dale la, hey. Then he's doing the other ones over there.
Yeah?
Yeah, wait.
You're
Yeah?
recording?
I'm
Ready?
recording. I've been recording. Go.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Tell
Hold
me
them
when
with
you're
two
ready.
hands. Hold them with 2 hands.
Go slowly.
No!
Then once you do it one time, that's it. You already fucking. You already poked.
I don't want to do it.
You already poked.
No, I should have put tape or something.
We did.
For what? What is that gonna do?
So it doesn't get the
fuck up.
strength.
Dude, this is so scary.
Yeah.
Ready?
He doesn't
Yeah,
even
I'm.
I wanna.
Go.
Just put adhesive tape.
Come on, go. Like once you do it one time, that's all good.
Oh, yeah. wait, no, bring it back. Don't do it. Why is there a circle?
That was easy.
Dude, that thing was scary.
Yeah.
Why que está bien duro? Go.
See that again?
Yeah.
Do it close. Second.
All right, go ahead. 3, 2, 1.
Dang, that hurt me.
That's how you get orgasms, fam. Where are the hoes? Oh, that's why you put tape.
I doubt it.
What's tape gonna do?
I don't know.
A ver, déjame la usa.
Úsatela.
Ahí en donde le hiciste, ¿verdad?
¿Sí sabes?
O sea, ahí. Tú dime, yo no puedo.
Yeah, right there.
¿Quiere pasar? Dale.
Told you it's wood.
Boy, what are you talking about?
There's different ones.
Yeah, I know there's different ones, but this is not wood.
My head